Morning everyone. A bit of a rainy day today. It's actually just sprinkling. I don't know if you can see, it's really light. But just finished doing the while it's raining. I like to do it while it's raining because it rained all night pretty much last night. We did end up getting about the 40 mil mark, what they were saying. So the grass is going to be really, it's fake grass, but underneath it's going to be really soaked. So this stuff now will just rain and then just sink straight through. This is to get rid of the dog wee smell. I'll show. I don't know if I've actually shown what the product is, but I'll show you now. So it is. It's just this stuff. You can pause it there and read it if you want to read it. If you can read it. Let me zoom in. But yeah, it smells like bubblegum. It's really nice. I'm still getting grips with the camera, but I just set up a time lapse to watch me doing that, and I forgot to press record, so you're seeing the finished result. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Just looks like a bit of snow, and then it'll, not that we get snow here, but yeah, the rain will just all absorb that in now and get it right down into where it smells. You can see I've missed kind of this bit. The dogs don't do anything there. It's mainly along there. Kind of the wheeze happen along here and here a little bit where I've really concentrated it. The little one, Dexter, he kind of does it kind of anywhere between here and here, like this. The bigger one, Alfie, the older one, he does it over there. You can see it there, near that plant or near this plant, and no one really does anything up here. Oh, the poos happen here a bit, but they don't make a difference. So yeah, all good. So what else is there? Yeah, so do that while it's raining. I want to go in the garage now, and I'll show you what's going on in there. Here they come. They don't like it when it rains. They won't go to the toilet. They want to go for a walk, but they aren't going for a walk because it's raining. So yeah, all good. Anyway, in the garage. Okay, yeah, so I don't know if you can hear it. All there's good. Just really sticky, gross plastic, like you rest your arm on it and like your clothes stick to it and everything. I've tried all-purpose cleaner, I've tried alcohol, I've tried goo remover, I've tried everything and nothing seems to work. So what I have been reading is that I've got the full arsenal out. That's just a diluted mix, actually. That's no good anymore. This stuff, Oxy-Action, which is a bicarb of soda or bicarbonate mix or something. I think this is the same. I haven't used that one yet. I don't know why we've got two different ones, but anyway. So I'm using that and this brush, and I'm going to let it sit for a bit and see how we go. You're not going for a walk, boys, it's raining. Come on. Yeah, so I think we're just going to put this on with the brush it in, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then come back and wipe it off and see how we go. Alright, so probably want to make sure your window's down, because you definitely don't want that stuff on your tint. Plus I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes, so I'm just going to wipe up what I got here. But I mean, it's the same plastic, but this isn't sticky, which is weird. It's only this top bit, and it is separate to this bit, so I don't know if it's a different type of plastic, but it's only this bit and only in certain parts, which is a bit weird. It kind of feels like it gets better when I put alcohol on it, and then when the alcohol kind of evaporates off it, it goes back to being sticky again. So yeah, not sure, but anyway, get this rag and we'll just wipe up where you don't want it. That'll do. Flick it back on in 10 minutes and we'll see You can feel it. It's all slimy. It's pretty gross. So yeah, we'll leave it for a bit and see how we go. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's all gone. Still feels a bit slimy. It still feels sticky. Oh, it's better. Definitely better. It may have worked, but I probably have to wait for it to dry a little bit. It's grippy, but it's not sticky. No. Yeah, maybe I'll just give it a wipe with some alcohol now to get the rest of that residue off. Someone did. This is how I got the idea. This is just off YouTube. Someone did say WD-40 as well. Yeah, it's still. You can hear it. It's in the same spots. It's really weird. Yeah, no, didn't do anything. No. Alright, well the next option is going to be WD-40, I think. I don't know what that's going to do because that is not a cleaning solution. It's an oil spray. Yeah, that's really bad. That actually feels worse than before. It's like all the way over here now. Up the top here is nice. It's actually quite almost powdery. But then down here is, yeah, all the way through here, and then all this way is all just sticky. You can actually see bits of the microfiber if it's stuck to it, it might come out. Alright, WD-40 it is. Alright, before I try the WD-40, I've got Inox as well if WD-40 doesn't work. I'm going to try brake cleaner and contact and circuit board cleaner. See how that goes. I've got an old rag. Just don't want to use my good rags with all these the oxy actions enough. So yeah, really sticky here. Let that dry. But it doesn't feel sticky anymore. And then after doing this, you're going to really have to load it up with some kind of vinyl, not Armor All. Some kind of water-based vinyl revive, something like that. I think I've got something. It's that's probably the thing that's worked the best so far. You got to do it a couple times though, and you really got to scrub. That's made a massive difference. There's still, I think that's actually scratches. Yeah, that's scratches. So that's not going to come out. But it's definitely not. I thought it was bits of microfiber. That's just scratches in the door. Okay. That's made a massive difference. Everything feels the same and not sticky. So let's let that dry a bit, and then we'll come back and hopefully that's kept it like that. That was brake cleaner. I'm going to try the circuit board cleaner now. Just a doubly mate check. I don't think this stuff's going to be as harsh though. Okay, I think we're on a winner here. And at least it doesn't smell like WD-40. I really didn't want to use that if I didn't have to. Yeah, okay, let's let that. I'm going to quickly do the other side because the other side is just as bad. If I can get in there, there should be enough room. I'll just leave you guys here. And I'll go over there. But yeah, that feels really good. Alright, that seems to work. It's definitely dry and the stickiness hasn't come back. Yeah, you can hear it, it's the same. There's no, yeah, your skin doesn't peel off it. That's really good. Alright, well I'll let that dry out because it still feels a little bit moist. I'll let that dry out for 10 minutes. That's okay. I reckon whoever had this car before us used a lot of Armor All on it, and the Armor All just doesn't go away. Oh, that's a huge difference. Yeah, it's not down there, it's only up here. Yeah, see, I didn't do under here, and it's still sticky there, but where I've done, it's really good. Yep, okay. I think we're onto something here. I'll just do this bit under here. It's like a little ledge just under here, and I must have missed it, but that's all good now. Alright, we'll leave that to dry, come back and we'll give it some kind of vinyl protecting coating. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes and she's dry. It feels the same as what it felt, so I'm pretty sure it's as soon as you finish wiping it and give it 10 seconds to evaporate, I think that's as dry as it's going to get. I've done the steering wheel, done the other side, and it feels a million times better. There is no like oily, it feels the same everywhere. It actually feels the same as everything down here. So we'll juice it up now. So I've kind of almost, not everything, but I've been switching over to this Bowden stuff. It's pretty good. 100% silicone free, water based, non-greasy. That's what you want. It's like the complete opposite to Armor All, I suppose. I'm going to do the whole door because I did drip that stuff everywhere. So just give it a nice, oh yeah, it smells like lemonade too. It smells pretty good. So give it a good coating, let it sit for a bit. I'll do the other door from here. Excuse the bum. I'll do the steering. I won't spray the steering. I'll just spray it on this. Yeah, just if you're gonna makes sense to me anyway. If you're going to clean something with brake cleaner, it's really going to drag the oils out of it. It probably won't fade it, but it's going to dry it out. So just rejuvenate it with this kind of stuff. Oh, I'm glad that worked, because I don't drive this car. My missus drives this car more than I do. But every time I'll get in it, like on the weekends if we're going somewhere, you just rest your arm on that thing and you've got to peel your clothes off the door trim. It just wasn't good. Okay. Yeah, see, that's really slippery now, but that's got to let this stuff dry. I'll go and do the other side. You probably won't be able to see it properly over there, so I'll just go and quickly do that. Okay, I'll call that a success. I've been fighting for this with this for about a week, just on and off. Yeah, that was just lucky. I saw that stuff. I went in there to get the WD-40 and saw brake cleaner, and I thought, oh well, that might lift it. So yeah, it doesn't feel sticky at all. Just all feels nice and the same pretty much everywhere. So yeah, down here was fine. It was just this panel. It was only, you can see it's distinguished here. I don't know if it's different rubber, but that was fine. It's just this top bit. So yeah, hopefully once that stuff sinks in, it doesn't come back to being sticky. But yeah, we'll see how we go. For now, it looks fine. Even that side, I did the dash. The dash wasn't sticky at all, but just the top of that one was the same. So yeah, hopefully it stays like that. But anyway, that was a nice quickie fix. So all good. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.